Namaste, my name is Ramanujan. I am yoga therapist at Sukhino. So today I am going to talk about some of the yogic techniques which you can use for better health and immunity, especially in the times of COVID, where our respiratory system is under stress. So first practice is Om chanting. So in this you have to sit in any comfortable posture, cross-legged. I am sitting in Ardha Padmasana. I am keeping one leg on top of the thigh. So make a chin mudra by touching the tip of the index and the thumb finger and rest it on your knees. Now I will be chanting Om by inhaling deeply. So, in this you have to take as much breath as possible, and using that breath chant Om. 50% of your breath chant O, 50% of your breath in the end chant Ma with the lips closed. Let us chant one more time. Chant Omkara for 9 rounds, and after that observe the vibrations, experience in the body. And you should keep your eyes closed while chanting Om. The second practice I am going to do is Kapalabhati. In this you have to compress the abdomen and exhale at the same time. Keep the back straight, eyes closed. Let us start the practice. Perform this for 20 strokes and then keep the eyes closed for the experience. After Kapalabhati, you will feel for a few seconds no inhalation, no exhalation. Kapala means the head, Bhati means shining. So Kapalabhati indirectly impacts the brain, the neurons, and not just the breathing capacity also. The third practice we are going to do is Bhastrika. In this there is active inhalation, active exhalation. Make a loose fist in the both palms. Now with inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, make a fist. Continue. After 20 strokes, you can relax your palms on your knees in Chin Mudra. Keep your eyes closed and observe the effect of Bhastrika in your lungs. You will feel automatic stopping of the breath for a few seconds after Bhastrika. This practice, along with Kapalabhati, it can be done either morning or evening, provided there is sufficient gap of meal, at least 3.5 hours. The next practice I am going to teach is Anulom Vilom. Make a Nasika Mudra in the right palm by closing the index and the middle finger. With your thumb finger, close the right nostril. Inhale from the left nostril. Close the left nostril. Exhale from the right nostril. Inhale from the right nostril. Close the right nostril. Exhale from the left nostril. Inhale from the left. Close the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. close the right, exhale from the left. So this completes 2 rounds of this practice. You can perform 27 rounds of this practice 4 times a day: morning, afternoon, evening and night. So I hope you continue this practice and help yourself fight against this COVID with a smile, and keep regularity of this yogic practice with full sincerity and keep it regular practice. Thank you so much. Wish you the best of the health.